So to make the blank, I want it to be that dimension square. Oops. One. Something like that. One. One. That's so pretty. One, two. Okay, let's take this apart and turn this into a ring. So you're right about an 11. So if I take it up to like a 12.5, that's about what we're wanting. 2, 5, 13/16. Oh, a number 13. Well, what do you know? How did I know it was going to happen? Can line the bit up with that hole, get it started, and then I'm going to put in a backing blocker so I don't go into anything else. Hopefully, that'll give me what I want. Oig. I think I'm into the other oak. need more in this space. This is where it starts to get a little terrifying. These rings are all about little pieces. Make a lot of people mad and use this as a marking gauge. I'm gonna set it over here though. Do it this way. Need a harder spot on my leg. Oop, right there. Okay, so that's what it looks like before. And then after. How's that look? Beautiful. There you have it, a ring. I think this is the third one that I've now made on wood by Wright, and every time I make a ring, I love them. It's a really relatively simple project. It looks scary and daunting, but if you take your time and you do it with the right rasps and files, actually it's not that difficult, and it is a surprisingly fun project. Making them out of the homemade plywood with grains going different directions mean that they're going to last a little longer. If you make it out of a solid piece, it's probably going to break on you at some point, but either way, they are a lot of fun. Now, Luke, my videographer, he's the one who asked me for this because he didn't want one that was metal or silicone, and so we thought we'd give this a try. And I really like how this one came out with the curly white oak and the Paduke and the African blackwood. This is just, that's really happy. I like this one. So yeah, Luke, hope you enjoy it. And I think that'll do it. If you have any questions or thoughts, things I should do in the future, video ideas, please let me know those down below. I do read through all of them, and really that means a lot. Anytime you hit like, share, subscribe, it helps the channel grow. The algorithm here is all powerful, and thank you, you can help with that. If you would like to go even farther and really help out the channel, there are a bunch of names over here. Those are all of the fantastic people on Patreon. And without patrons, we wouldn't exist. We are completely sponsored by you, the viewer. So thank you for that. If you would like to find out more about that or see what special perks we have for both patrons and members, you can click the join button down below in the description, or click the little join button over here and become a member on YouTube. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. There's a reason this is the third ring I've made, and someday I'll make one to control them all.